Hello students, today we will discuss the question series of that is chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants. This is series 7. So in this we can discuss the very important questions which may arise in the NEET exam. So the question are 31. The scutellum observed in grain of wheat or maize is comparable to which part of the seed? Which part of the seed in other monocotyledons? So the options are: first one is cotyledon, B endosperm, C aleurone layer, D plumule. So the scutellum observed in grain, you know that the scutellum is nothing but the large single cotyledon. So this is only to confuse the students. So the simple answer is nothing but the cotyledon. Then 32. Wind pollinated flowers are we can write the options. First, small brightly colored producing large number of pollen grains. B option, small producing large number of dry pollen grains. C option, large producing abundant nectar and pollen. D option, small producing nectar nectar and dry pollen. Dry pollen. So in wind pollinated flowers, the very important thing is that there is no need of any reward or the nectar like that. So automatically we can discard the different options, that is like your bright color here. So for that this is discarded, and this is nectar, this is discarded, and this is nectar, discarded. So no need of what any reward, because there is no discrimination of wind. So this option, that is small one, favorable, producing large number, large loss is sometimes faced with the plants, and dry, for that they can easily carried out by the wind. So this is the correct answer. Next question number 33. Which one of the following is resistant to enzyme action? Resistant to enzyme action. Resistant to enzyme action. A option, that is cork. B, wood fiber. C, pollen exine. D, that is leaf cuticle. So resistant to enzyme action, this is just, we have already discussed also this type of questions. So mainly the outer covering, that is exine, which is made up of sporopollenin, which cannot be easily degraded by the enzyme action and resistant to the environmental stresses. So this is the correct answer, that is pollen exine. Then 34 number question. Unisexuality of flowers prevents. Unisexuality of flower prevents. First option, autogamy, but not jetenogamy. Autogamy, but not jetenogamy. Second, both jetenogamy and genogamy. C, jetenogamy, but not genogamy. D option, autogamy and jetenogamy. So unisexuality means the unisexual flower, and both types, that is monoecious and dioecious. So here it is not specified. So it may first of all prevents the autogamy, but it may not prevents the jetenogamy. So the correct option is autogamy, but no jetenogamy. If it would be the unisexual with dioecious, then geitonogamy can be prevented. So this is the correct option. 35. Which one of the following pairs of plant structures plant structure has haploid number of chromosomes? So the options are: first, megaspore mother cell and antipodals. Cells. B option, egg cell and antipodal cells. C option, that is nucellus and antipodal cells. And D option, egg nucleus and secondary nucleus. So it is important that here we have to find out which one of the following pair of plant structure has haploid n numbers. So in first option, that is megaspore mother cell, which is diploid, but antipodals are haploid. So this is rejected. And this second option, this is egg cell is haploid and antipodals are also haploid. You know that the egg cells, antipodals, here the synergids and here the secondary nuclei. So the correct answer is egg cell and antipodal cells. And now discuss how these are rejected. Nucellus is, that is diploid, outside the embryo sac diploid, so this is rejected. Egg here haploid, but secondary nucleus, which is fused product, so this is diploid. So this is all about the 5 important question of question series NEET 7. Next we will see the question series number 8 in the next videos.